General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Let's go back up here. Yeah, tomorrow's that day. And Jackson Hole, day one. Okay. Today's the 20th. And 8, 20, and 25. Forex Factory. Okay. Okay. All right. So, unemployment, PMI. Okay. The Fed minutes today said they not worried about employment so much. They must have seen the lost jobs were jobs cut from government. I think that's how you short spending. Okay. Then they said they watching inflation, which is CPI, PPI, PCE type stuff. So with that information, we go into tomorrow. watching PMI. And taking note of Jackson Hole delivery, which I think is like a super sale. That's just a guess, just based off the sentiment I seen. Because yesterday we seen that article. It was talking about it. Nvidia selling off Jackson Hole. You see Nasdaq falling. Where we at? 80 is going down. You see how I kind of been saying? That's what I expected. Okay. Went down to 80. To 80%. Thesis still stands for fund rate decision, which is we wait to NFP, wait to September, let all this crazy stuff just happen. Okay, earnings. Tomorrow's Thursday. Nothing to see here. Walmart is actually a good, what can I use? Barometer for U.S. spending. If they did good, then we should be okay. We should be okay as far as economy. If tariffs is beating up Walmart, it's a problem. For NASDAQ, let's put this in an asterisk or something. I wonder if I can make it like an indent or hold on. Bullet in. I guess a bullet in will work. Yeah, that'll work. And actually, that's okay. Notion. It looks good. Let's go here. Dollar on the daily. Still, we still here. Saying this is bullish or bearish right here is just nonsense. You see, we didn't do anything. Okay. It's just sat here. Did nothing today. So we sit and wait. No, this is the summer PA they told us about. Summer doldrums. I think that's how they. Yeah, that ain't how you do it. Doldrums. Doldrums. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, what we got here? I did like this to sell. We didn't get no run above the daily open. We did hit the target. It's crazy how we hit that target too. Okay, target hit. We didn't get the buy side run for the sell off. Note this, and also note this daily open or okay. I think that's it. Target hit. We didn't get the buy side run before the sell off, though. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly doing what it's supposed to do. I still like lower. I do. The only thing I could see making us go higher is crazy news event tomorrow. Let's look at this daily. Okay. This wick rejection is amazing. And we have this gap here. Not only is it a gap, it's a fair value. Retracements and lower, it makes sense until we get at least some hour structure holding. Retracement and lower. Okay, let's see what H4. Where can we make a bull case though? Okay, bull case has to be this was a gap. It got filled. So this is an order block. Look at this. We got a breakaway gap here. order block here. If we push up, retrace, and push back down, I can resell this as like a reclaimed order block to target this. Um, ooh, I think I almost. Oh, we can put an arrow here since it's no close. Yeah, I don't know what none of this stuff is for. Yeah, I have no idea. I don't know what that's for. Okay. I don't like how Monday's highs left on tap. I don't like this. This is like a down candle on a higher time frame. Buys closing above this, using this as a support is good for buys. Pushing up and reselling is good for sales. This is going to be the area I watch. I want to see if this bearish short block holds. If we push above and turn it into a breaker, that's good for buys. Ooh, I'm gonna target this. It's 22,780. Let's see if Jackson Hole does the damage. Like we got us a market maker sell model here too. Okay, 22,780.25 is my target. No alerts here. And let the news play first. Okay. Let's go look at the swings. Dollar's not doing anything, so swings probably not doing anything either. Hey, 20, 25. Oh, I got an idea. As soon as these trades get to rolling, I can start putting headers to make it easier to find positions in this. Okay, we got us a sweep here. Let's look at this. Okay, EU's doing the same things dollar's doing. EU sitting on the couch. So we wait. Let's go look at silver. Okay, silver. I like the way silver is setting up here. I want to see it close above that down candle high. Okay, hold on. That's the way silver is setting up. I want to see it run the down candles highs. The news could give us a push. So this might give an entry tomorrow. Let's see. Let's look at this. I do like. Look at this. We need to close above here. Retrace. And we might take out this too. This liquidity here. Push up. This could end up being a breakaway gap. We can use this. Trying to set an alert. Silver and fair value. Okay. Alert set to buy if silver retrace to fair value. Pricing. All right. Okay, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.